Yo, seems like you don't know your place. Where the Ross you got about it, eh? Walk and live. Dark and bumbuckler dead. Fuck.
The way I try to stay positive, and I the where I living. Some fools will negative.
Big up to my loyal subscriber them and big up to all our viewers them. Alright, so I just want to say RIP to the Umbro of Portmore lose him life to them waste Monday, you see it? Yeah man, and my condolences to the family and friends them. Cause you don't know, as I always I say, it's not really easy to lose a loved one, and you see me I say, it's tough, so I just want to say my condolences in the video, you see it? Boy people, it really sad. You know why it really sad? Because we lose another true Jamaican to some waste man with gun again. You see it, yeah man. But pretty what article I see people are represent and say, yo, my boy there was a really good man in terms of like him go work, him come home and him give back to the community, you see me? Like him install internet, you know, him do things that people appreciate in the community. So it obviously we lose another true good Jamaican to some waste man, you see it? Yeah man, and it's sad, and but just there all our mates and I say, yo, Janu, I just hope my boy will drop out no left no pitney behind, because you don't know that go people. If him left kids behind, boy, me just there keep my fingers crossed. Any you know it already. Kids without father, it can't go both ways. It can't go good or it can't go bad. So me just hope it go the good way. Cause we don't want, you know, that affect the kids and then them go stray, and you know it go. Yeah man. But people, what we can do right now than just move forward. You see me? Cause now I am tired to see this. Yeah, I'm tired to see it, because yo, it just happen. Them things just happen over and over. Them weird shit that just happen in Jamaica make me have to say, yo, John won't start. When this I gonna stop, you see it? So how or when this I gonna stop, I don't know, but we can try to help to stop it, and the only way is to try to attack the juvenile them. You see me? So if you have a seed around you, close to you, start from there. You see me? I could start from there, try to push positive street on them from there, so there's hope for the future, you see it? Because that's the only way right now, you see me, to them nonsense you are going to Jamaica, you see it? And it happened, and I guess it happened for a reason. You see me? Me might not know the good reason behind that, because I probably don't know that the dude personally, maybe in family them or whoever around him might see the reason as time progresses, you see it? But who knows? Maybe this will bring another awareness to me, so I can make a video. So there's always good in night, you see me? So we just have to just pray and figure it out. So maybe that's the good in night, you see it? But other than that, still, you don't know, this is another example of waste man with gun. You see me? Not just gunman and killers, car. You don't know when Jamaican get gun. It could have been legal or illegal. Them the foolishness with it, you see? Yeah man, legal gun owners, them don't know how to act when them have gun. No, legal waste man gun owners and the illegal gunman and killers them. Yeah man, when them get guns man, you don't know. Anything can happen. You see, so what me I go do in the video people, me I go just break down why them youth go to the extent. You see me I say? I have to go put on the gunman and killer shoes and break it down to the people who find this so mind blowing, you see it? All I go on still now, you see the little clippings I'm post at the beginning of the video. You see the inform for that thing there? Yes man, it caused this. It's the #1 reason behind all of this, you see it? And we as Jamaicans, we have to go take some blame and responsibility for this, you know, cause remember, you know, and we say walk and live talk and for dead, you know, and watch what go on. And that registering the whole of our brain as youth, cause me can remember I watch Dancehall Queen, you know, and just the line there alone, you know, sticking in my brain and run with me for the rest of my life, you know. Yeah man, and then I use the same teachings and I teach our future generation, you see me? So yo, snitches get stitches, you know the thing go, but as I say, it's a good thing and a bad thing, you see me? Cause all in the workplace, you don't know, you don't want to have people, you don't want to work with people where a blood not inform on it to the boss and them thing, you see me? All push you under the JUTC bus and them thing them just to save themselves, you see me? So the law they can go good and it can do bad, you see me? But in the situation you don't say yo, I that it you sir, take my boy the life. But other than that, you know, people may go show on another side of the thing, is me I say. People, really and truly, I just can't put on the gunman and killer shoes right now because I try push my brain. I put myself in them shoes and I try push my brain for see how and why them do this, brother. And I tell you, say, I'm not so dunce. And that's why my brain can't relate so far to the dunceness of them things, brother. Because I just saw it going to get dunce and wasteman gun, brother. Them the dunce and wasteman activities. You see it? Them listen too much Rygin King, brother. Too much dunce thugs, dog. The man them dunce, fully dunce. You see it? Swear to God. Yeah, people, so it's obvious my boy there will drop out. There's two things. My boy they put a camera upon him house. For see that watch for see who accompany property, or put it there for see who invade him space to come hurt him. So you don't know it go already. And the man little protection that we work hard for and put up himself, you see it, but we already know FLA not give out no gun. You see it, so how you gonna protect yourself in them time with them youth a gun enough boy, so how you gonna protect yourself? A cutlass, I don't know. In them time, I don't know, a ratchet knife, I don't know. Maybe I have to just do the same thing with them I do. Save up your money and buy an illegal gun, cause you don't know if you wait for FLA, time I go run out on you. You see it, but anyway, as I say, I'm there for broke it down and show you what I'm going with the gunman and killers, cause I can relate. Actually, I can relate to why them youth are doing it, but boy, them youth are just dumb and dunce. I don't know if as the years go, like each year we go in the youth, them are the way of doing things just get dunce and dunce. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. As I say, people, I can relate to what I say them youth are going with, because when I see the article, it just bring back to my past. You see it and I say, yo, John Star. People, I should not know, say, yo, and me and my friend, them one of the reasons why my school run go get camera, you see me, because you saw the teacher staff room there, and Sculling school, alright, you saw the teacher staff room there, you see up them side there, we deal up so grimy, because we are thief, baiting from up them side there, we used to Skull school and jump fence regular, so. We used to link with the security and have our understanding of the security and look on and say, yo, dog, gonna go too hard, you know. Them gonna drop camera about the place, you see it. So, the September morning there, the following September morning, me, you know, cause I guess me are the brains in my crew and it have to do with trouble, giving trouble, you see it, cause me, you know, me are the man when the two get catch, you see me. Yeah, so, sat the class I keep on thing, me used to like try to map out every camera, you see me. I'm try to stone them, even I'm up out something that look like camera in the bush and not even camera, but I used to try to fling big stone and iron off of them, but it just lick it down, it do nothing to it, you see me, so it obviously is a fail, so I say, you know what, I gotta just love it and try to work around it, so I just adjust and try to, any dirt I do, I gotta just do it round the camera, do it where the camera not there, you see me, so I just sit down and I pray them youth a thing. I'm realizing them youth are just done, cause you take the man life because him say him no want to take down the camera, like unless I don't know, unless them did really and truly want to hurt this person. You see me, and through the camera there it has slow down them things. I don't know. But as I say, when I tell the man to take it down and him not take it down, then go and go take it down on yourself. When you sound bad, go and go take down the camera. If you don't want to do that, then if you don't want to do no wrongdoings, do it around the camera. I saw the dunce, brother. I saw the dunce. And them probably are using yard, one of them yard with them jumping and walk past with them gun or something. Brother, mask stop make. A corona time, you know. You don't wear mask then. You see me, cause I don't want to stray still, but I make videos with man over foreign. I've shoot out in a broad daylight and people, camera there everywhere in a foreign and what. The man over on them mask, brother. So I just pray and I say, oh, them youth are just done. So see it, cause Uno kill the man cause of that. Like really. But anyway, still, I just sit back and I say, yo, I pray back all when I get old and realize I elder drop a camera in my community. And them man they really put up the camera for like watch the surrounding. You see me? That's the way I do it for so. If we are gonna do no dirt, brother, we're not gonna do it for the camera, so you see me. But if the camera catch it, like in a heated moment and the camera just catch it, just know say you're Jano. You see me? Yeah, but at the same time we just know say you have to just adjust and know say alright, camera there so you know. Nah, I go do nothing, nah, I go pass it, no going in on the hand, tuck your thing, move, you see me? No nonsense in front of the camera car. The camera go a station and the station thing I go drop your jail and really and truly still people, I'm just glad them youth make the stupid movie and you see me I say? Because I do some glad them make, because I'm not glad the brother dead, but I'm just glad say yo them hot up themselves and chances are them go to prison or them go dead. So one of them come off of the road so the people them can get some peace in them life, you see. But as I say people, yeah, I not even think some be showing why them do it, you see me? I'm just showing how them so dunce, you see me? Them really dunce. But I just one of them things there, you see it. So don't know the thing of people. What next? Cause Jamaica, you never know what to expect, but I just one of them things there, you see it. But rascal, my camera battery got dead. Oh yeah, Palestine Street, 876. You know the thing go.
Yeah. Though we are trying to stay positive, and I don't feel we are living. Some fools well negative, hear them come with them politics. We don't want to hear from them, no we not beg none of them. Cause we not look a friend, and we not look a man. I don't know what one pretend, just grab her up and hand. I don't know what one pretend, just grab her up and hand. No we are trying to stay positive, and I don't feel we are living. Some fools well negative, hear them come with them politics.